There you are. Glad you could make it. I saw a couple of guards walking past a few minutes earlier. Seems like they were after something. Get inside the room. We don't want to attract even more attention. Alright. Now we got to wait for the instructions from Vladimir. He should be on any minute now. He has all the details about the stash we are after. Look at what's happening down there. How did our country end up like this? Who would have thought that someday our capital would be under oppression, and for such a vague reason? They claim they are doing this to prevent some disease from spreading, but that's obviously a lie. A disease? Which they tell us nothing about? Bullshit. There is something else, and they are hiding it from us. And that is why we are here to stop these lies. A rebellion that is being formed. The Red Alliance will put an end to this. We will uncover the truth sooner or later.
Stanko, come in. We're in position. Do you copy?
Stanko, checking in. We are ready and in position.
Great, so here's the plan. You gotta move out towards the upper floors. That's where the stash is hidden. Once you get there, let me know and I'll tell you where the stash is located. Oh, and just a friendly notice. Keep an eye out for the guards hanging around. You don't want to get caught by them. You still remember what they do to those who oppose them, right? We can't afford to fail this mission. We got just one chance at this. Our resistance group is depending on you. Good luck.
Alright then. Let's move out. There's a weapon and equipment stash hidden on the top floor. We must acquire it before the guards get there.
Remember to keep noise to a minimum.
Now, let's move out.
We can't use the elevators, remember?
Get down. You don't want them to see you.
Oh, this room seems clear. No sign of civilians. Keep looking, boy. They might be hiding somewhere. Keep an eye out for them. What are we supposed to do with them anyway? Get them outside on the streets. Make sure this area is secure.
Damn, that was close. Keep a low profile, and we might just sneak by them.
Sranye, a blockade. Looks like we will have to take a detour. Look at all the mess here. Everyone is moving out. Nobody wants to stay in the country when we have oppressive units after us. How is the government letting this happen? Unless they are involved as well.
This used to be a beautiful city. Dozens of tourists. Bright city colors. A city full of friendly people and a happy nation. And look where we are now. I wonder where they are right now. Hold up. We must wait until they aren't looking in our direction.
Huh? I think I heard something. You sure? Because I haven't. I think I heard a footstep. Nah, it's probably just a rat.
Now, let's move on.
We should take a break. I'm tired. Quit crying. You've got a job, so fucking do it. Well, you obviously haven't stayed up for the whole night patrolling the backyard entrance, have you? Damn right I haven't. Probably because I follow
Just one
orders
floor
and
left,
don't end
over
up
there.
in double patrol duty like you do. Shut up.
Now, let's ask Vladimir where the stash is at.
Vladimir, come in. We have reached the 10th floor. Where's the supply stash hidden?
Head over to the eastern side of the 10th floor. It's hidden in the apartment on the left side of the hallway.
Dobro, we are on our way there. Let's keep going. Keep a low profile.
Hey, put that down, now, or else I will shoot.
No, please. This isn't a weapon. This is just a...
Stupid bitch. I told him to put the gun down. What an idiot. That's one tango down. Let's look through the rest of the rooms in this apartment. Who knows? We might find more rebels. Yeah, let's keep going.
Holy shit! They shot him dead. They actually shot him. You see now how cruel these people really are. They don't give a shit about you. They just follow orders, almost like machines. Oh man, I don't want to end up like that. Okay, I think this is it. This has to be the apartment that Vladimir talked about.
What do we have here? Commander, should we take them out right here? They're good for nothing. No need to. Let's bring in Dr. Gray. He would be very interested to find out who these two rebel filths work for and how they found out about this stash.
I won't say jack shit to you.
Oh, we will see about that, rat. Still here, huh? Go to sleep. This better be worth it, Gray.
Silence! Remember who hired you.
Be careful, Gray. Someone might pay us more than you are, and who knows how this will turn out.
Why don't you keep your threats to yourself and do your job? Perfect. Everything seems to be in order. Let's just...
What is this demonstration going to reveal anyway?
What did I say about questioning my work? Stand back and witness greatness. Initiate mind control experiment for test subject 1. Test subject 1, stand up. I said, test subject 1, stand up.
How do you expect him to stand up? He is handcuffed to the table and looks like your mind control is not working.
Oh ho ho, is that so? You still have no idea what this is about, do you? Test subject 2, stand up, now!
Impressive. You indeed managed to mind control him.
Fantastic. Now, test subject 2, walk towards the window. Get off me! No! Get off! Test subject 2 has escaped the mind control. Test failure.
What the hell was that? What the hell did you instruct him to do?
No problem, just a minor malfunction. I'm still early in my research. Now, I want all of the prisoners in this room, now! Put all the failures of the mind control in the prison. They can rot there. I want every single success in my laboratory. Is that clear?
Yes, boss.
Fantastic. Now ship this one off to prison. He's clearly broken.
Come on, keep up, you scum. You should consider yourself lucky. You're not being sent off to Dr. Gray's labs. You don't want to know what awaits those who are shipped there. Damn right. You see, nobody comes back from there. For now, enjoy rotting in this cell. It will be our turn to have some fun with you after Gray is done with the rest of the prisoners. We will uncover your connection to that resistance group, Red Alliance. You see, you'll find our interrogation methods to be quite fiendish. What are you looking at? Don't make me use my weapon.
What the hell was that?
The prison is under attack. They are dropping air bombs on us. All units take cover. Evacuate the facility.
It's too late.
Oh, you're still alive, huh? Too bad you weren't lucky enough to outrun me. Sleep tight. corpses to take care of. Two guys right here. Heavy fire!
targets in my sight. I'm a fucking muscle. I see enemy movement.